You got a double hookup. Hey, what's up everybody? We're back out here at the beach. If you haven't seen my last video, make sure to check it out. We came out at nighttime and scored some big Dungeness crab. Today I'm doing it a little bit different. We're out here during the day. As you can see, there's a lot of fishermen out here. So we're gonna try a couple hours before the sun goes down, and then we'll fish at night as well. Hopefully we get our limits today, but stay tuned.
A few moments later.
All right, so Ruben's on his first cast. It looks like a keeper. On my first cast, it's a keeper. Oh shit! Whoa! Another one. Let's measure this guy. He looks kind of short. Oh, keeper. Yep. So we're doing pretty good during the day. We've been here for less than half an hour, I would say. My buddy Ruben has a keeper. I got two keepers. So question to my viewers, when do you think is better? During the day or during the night? Drop a comment and you know, share your opinion. Let me know. Oh, you got him, you got him. Ruben with a second one. Two. Definitely a keeper. Two up, two up. That's what I like to see. A lot of big ones. Let's measure this guy, just to make sure. Oh yeah. There's a little over 6 inches. Let's get it. I don't know if you guys saw that in the video, but this guy almost got away. And he looks like a keeper. Oh man. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Over 6 inches. Man. Oh yeah. Oh no, he got off? I think he got off. You got one? Oh, I got one, I got one. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, let's see. Ruben was on. Did he get it too? Oh yeah, he got one too. Doubles. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. This looks like a keeper. And I just got my 5th keeper. So once the sun goes down, I'm gonna see how the bite is, but I'm expecting it to get better. You got a double hookup, my guy Ruben, and they look like some big ones. This one will measure for sure. Nice stuff. So as you can see, the sun's already down. It's gonna start getting dark real soon, so we took off our shades, put on the headlights, and yeah, we're gonna see how many more we can get. Ruben just caught up to me. I had 5, he had 3. He just got 2 at once. My cousin just got here, so should be a good night. Got his first keeper. We're gonna measure him just to make sure. Oh yeah, this is like a 6.5 incher, bro. That one's big. Holy shit. Big one. Yeah.
Everybody catch a lot.
Yeah. Woo. Alright, so it's getting dark, but we're still catching them. Number 6 right here. Let's go. Oh. Got him. Hey, what's up, brother? Right on.
You met Tito before?
What's up, bro? I think I might have. Dre.
Tito. Dre.
Nice to meet you, man. We got 2 more guys here. Number 7, bro.
Shit, man.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. Three more to go, guys. This guy is catching up. Look at him.
You should have seen that I caught one. Yeah.
3 already. Hey, first keeper. Not bad, bro.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Jumbo. Nice.
Yep.
Double Dungeness. One of them is a keeper for sure. That's gonna be my 10th one, so got limits. The other one looks kind of small.
I got one, guys. Yes.
Everybody has sweet limits. Limits.
That's what I'm talking about. You guys see limits?
Yes, sir.
Double limits.
Limits.
Look at that.
So me and Ruben were the first ones out here, like at 2:30, 3 p.m. I ended up getting like 5 before sundown. He got about the same. As soon as the sun went down, I mean, the crabs kept hitting. So we got limits. My cousin got here right after us. He got half limits. A couple other guys got a couple more. It was a good night. I don't know still if it's better at night or during the day. It's only been a couple times, but